We're back with another documents tutorial. This is one that you're probably most interested in. We're going to walk through how to request documents from clients and how to send them securely. In Firm360, you can think of your clients in two different buckets: clients who have client portal access and clients who do not. Clients with client portal access will do all sending and receiving documents via their client portal. Clients without client portal access will do all document sending and receiving via secure links in their email. These tools help you collect and deliver files securely, whether or not the client has client portal access, cutting down on email back and forth, and keeping everything organized right inside Firm360. Let's dive in. To request a document from a client, go to the Clients tab in the black ribbon, select your client, come open up their Documents tab. You'll find a little caret to the right of the Add button. From here, select Request Document. Select the contact. Here, any contact associated with the client will appear in the drop-down. You will always have the option to add another recipient. This is to be utilized for anyone you might need to securely send a document to outside of your contact list in Firm360. I'm going to select Winnie White here. You'll see at the bottom, Winnie White has access to the client portal. The notification will direct them to the portal to upload their documents. When requesting a document from your client, you should always select the project that's associated with the request. When filling out the title, please be clear and concise in what you need your client to do. I always like to give clients a direction here. This client message field is optional, but does look nice when the request comes across. Some users simply copy and paste the title into this message box. You'll have the option to add on a checklist here. If including a checklist, please list out each document needed line by line, clearly identifying what you need from your client. Once finalized, click Request to Send. Clients will receive an email with instructions to upload the requested files. All document requests will be stored in the Client Actions section of your client's profile, as well as within the Client's Activities tab. We'll take a look at the client side of fulfilling a document request in a later client portal video. Let's talk about sending securely to clients. To send a file securely back to a client, go to the Client's Documents tab. Select the files you wish to share. Open the Action drop-down. From here, you have two options. If your client has client portal access, simply select Allow Client Portal Access. A star will appear next to the documents that have client portal access enabled. Your client will receive an email notification letting them know their documents are available for viewing on their portal. Here's a brief overview of what your clients will see on their portal. New documents will be labeled as new. They will be organized by document type and year on the left-hand side of the screen. This is also where your clients can come to add a document to upload directly to their Firm360 securely at any time. If your client does not have client portal access, simply select Send Selected Documents to Clients. From here, choose one or more contacts to send the selected documents to. Add a custom message. Apply advanced security like passphrases or hints for extra protection. And click send. The system emails the clients with a secure download link. A record of this action is automatically stored in activities for audit audibility. That's a quick, high-level look at secure document requesting and sharing in Firm360. It's really important for you to take a look at the help articles linked in your self-paced basic training material. Here, you can see exactly what your client gets within their email notifications and other details that are not included in today's video. Before I let you go, to wrap this up, you can request files from clients or third parties with or without portal access. You can send secure download links with optional passphrase protection, and you can precisely control which documents clients see in their portal. Using these tools reduces email attachments, improves security, and keeps everything tied back to the right client record. Thanks for watching.